Hey guys, I'm Dan. Today we'll take a look at 200 reptiles as well as sea animals. First one, we have a penguin. It is a Gen 2 penguin. Moving on, we have a through-neck lizard right here. And this is a battery-operated toy. The battery is very weak, so it's not really working very well. Next, we have a manta ray. Beautiful manta ray. And here we have a manatee. Beautiful. And right here we have a prehistoric crocodile by the name of Deinosuchus. And right here we have another penguin. And this penguin is a penguin. There's no species name written right below, but this one is a rockhopper penguin. Check this out. It is written right below, rockhopper penguin. Beautiful. Next, we have another crocodile. This is beautiful as well. We're gonna move on to the next one. We have a Komodo dragon. That's really awesome. And here we have a polar bear. Another polar bear. You can even see the paws. Very, very beautiful. Here we have a cow-nosed ray. Awesome. And what is this? This is a horned lizard with plenty of spikes behind the head. Okay, what do we have? A sea lion. California sea lion. Moving on, we have an iguana. This is quite a huge figure. Okay, and here we have a veiled chameleon with a very long tongue, which is catching a butterfly. Awesome. Here we have an emperor penguin and a penguin chick. And here we have a seal. Nice. What is this? A veiled chameleon baby. That's nice. Another manta ray. Here we have another crocodile. Oh, we have a snake right here. And let's check this out. It is actually an Amazon tree boa. Moving on, we have a collared lizard. Here we have a red ear slider. Nice. Let's see what else we've got. We have a black kite snake. And here we have, what is this? Let's have a look. A boa constrictor. Let's see what else we've got. Another black kite snake. Moving on, we have a cobra right here. It's a really nice one. And here we have another cobra. Some cobras can spit venom. And here we have a bearded dragon. Awesome looking. A small little cow-nosed ray right here. We have a blue spotted ray. Awesome stuff. Another iguana. I think this is a baby. A small little ray. Leatherback sea turtle. Nice. We have a brown snake, native to Australia. Here we have our snake toy. It can actually move. The batteries are very low as well. What do we have right here? We have our sea turtle baby, and is actually known as a Cam's Ridley walrus right here. A very beautiful walrus. Another manatee. Wow, what is this? I think this is a salamander. Yep, it is a salamander. Another walrus with two huge tusks. We have a green snake right here. And it is emerald tree bone. We have a penguin sheep right here. It's cute. Another manatee. Manatee are herbivorous mammals. Here we have a dugong. Very nice. This is a white alligator. Nice. And what is this? What type of snake is this? Let's have a look. Coral snake. We have a polar bear cub. A baby polar bear. That's really cute. This is a crested gecko. Nice. Let's see what else we got. We have another leatherback sea turtle. Another sea turtle. And this is actually a loggerhead turtle. Wow, what is this? I think this is a leopard gecko. Love the colors. We have a Nile crocodile. Chin-strapped penguin. This is a sea elephant. Caiman. Small species of crocodiles. Another sea turtle. Oops. A mini walrus. A frilled neck lizard. We have a tortoise. What is this? This is a big one. A huge crocodile. I'm gonna put this right here because we're running out of space. This is an Indian gharial. Nice. Another crocodile in a different color. Black-footed penguin. Leopard seal. Nice. Sea turtle baby. Komodo dragon. A walrus. Nice. We have another sea lion. American alligator. This is a thorny dragon. Love the spikes. And what is this? A sea lion. Another sea turtle. Leatherback sea turtle. We have a lizard toy. Still working, but the batteries are also running very low. Spotted seal. Nice. A mini crocodile. Iguana. An alligator. Not a crocodile. We have a green snake, green tree python. We have a ray, polar bear, a penguin, rockhopper penguin, polar bear cub. This is a bearded dragon, a manta ray, alligator, we have a green snake, a green coiled snake. Let's see whether there is a name. Coiled snake is basically just known as a coiled snake. Fruit neck lizard, an alligator, rockhopper penguin, another alligator. I think this is a giant tortoise, if I'm not wrong. Here's another one, giant tortoise. Leopard seal. They can be quite ferocious. Polar bear. This is an adult polar bear. This figure is beautiful. You can even see the paws below. Alligator baby. They have stripes when they are young. Emperor penguin, manta ray again. This is an eagle ray, a crocodile. This guy, I have no idea. This is an albino Burmese python, a horned chameleon, a green ray, marble ray. It has patterns like the marble stone. Stingray with a sting right behind. Another leopard seal. A baby seal, spotted baby seal, a penguin, African penguin to be exact, another walrus, leatherback sea turtle, another Komodo dragon. They can be found exclusively in Indonesia. A white crocodile. This should be a spotted seal. Let's see. Spotted seal. Nice. This is a corn snake, if I'm not wrong. A corn snake. Love the colors. We have a very adorable penguin. Let's see what type of penguin this is. Gentoo penguin. Another polar bear cub. Aww, this is so adorable. Another one. Komodo dragon. Flat-headed rock agama. Our one and only marine iguana. Beautiful. This is another tortoise. emperor penguin. Komodo dragon. We've got a penguin cheek right here. Another penguin. What's inside this egg? Let's have a look. Oh, it's a penguin cheek. That is so cute. Here's another penguin. A puffin. We have, what is this? Green anaconda. Nice. A sea lion. Rattlesnake. Alligator snapping turtle. Very beautiful one. Another sea turtle. A cobra. Dugong. Again, so many dugongs today. Sea turtle. Not too sure whether this is a hawksbill sea turtle. There's another sea turtle. Beautiful. Should be an emperor penguin. Another penguin. Nice. Penguin sliding on his belly. A bearded dragon. A tortoise, a giant tortoise. Another penguin. A brown snake. A mini dugong. Mini manta ray. I think this is an anaconda as well. Green anaconda to be exact. A tiny little manatee. Very, very cute little penguin cheek. Sea lion. Sea turtle. Another sea turtle. A mini leatherback sea turtle. We are down to our last few figures. Marine iguana. No, this is not a marine iguana. This is a bearded dragon. Got a small little snake right here. And it's a rattlesnake, I think. Another penguin. And our last figure is a small little fish. Thanks for watching this. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.